To play Qwirkle, you'll need 2 to 4 people. Have everyone draw 6 tiles from the drawstring bag without looking. Whoever has the largest group of tiles that match in color or shape goes first. If there's a tie, the older player starts. Put down a tile to start the grid, or play a group of tiles that match in shape or color. The next player must add a tile or group that matches the tile it's connected to on the grid, but there are a few rules to keep in mind. A line of matching color tiles can only have one of each shape, and vice versa. And while you can add tiles to either end of a line, you can't add them to more than one line in a turn. As you play your tiles, draw new ones so you always have 6. The game ends when the bag is empty and a player puts down their last tile. Maximize your points by doing things like finishing a line of 6 tiles, adding tiles that are connected to multiple lines, or being the last player to place a tile.